the benefits of dental implants to patients are that they provide essentially a new tooth. They can look like a new tooth, function like a new tooth, so that way when a person smiles, it looks natural, they can eat what they want, and it's a great option for patients. So implants are a great long-term solution as compared to the other options we have, which really jeopardize the other teeth. Bridges, you cut off the enamel and off the two teeth to put one in there. And with partials, they attach to the other teeth and wiggle those, and eventually they get wiggled loose. So with implants, you're not doing anything with the other teeth. It's a one-tooth solution. You put the implant in, you leave the other teeth alone. They work like real teeth, look like real teeth. They're great. So we have a wide variety of implant options. We can address either a single tooth, or if there's two teeth missing, we can address that, make an implant bridge. Or if someone's missing all their teeth, we can do an implant denture that's supported, that's screwed in, so the denture doesn't come out. They eat what they want. So we offer the full range from one tooth to all the teeth.